Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see how to access internet during airplane mode. If you are on airplane mode and would like to access your internet, then here is the tip which you can do it. But remember, this tip only works when you are connected to internet through your Wi-Fi. Using your Wi-Fi, if you are connected to your internet, then this will be the trick which will help you and useful in accessing your internet. For that matter, nothing you have to do, just go here. If you are on your Wi-Fi connected for the internet and would like to access or would like to enable airplane mode, just go on enable airplane mode. After doing this, you'll not get any disturbance through calls or messages, anything. For this matter, people goes on airplane mode even at home, not only on flight, even at home people goes on airplane mode for this purpose, not to get disturbance through calls or messages. But during airplane mode, if you want to access your internet, how do you do that? For example, you have already done with the airplane mode, but you want to access your internet, then again go and tap on your Wi-Fi, so that being on airplane mode itself, you will be connected to your Wi-Fi. Look at this, you're on your airplane mode and also connected to your Wi-Fi. You're on your airplane mode and also connected to your Wi-Fi so easily. And let's see now, if I want to open something on Google, see, I'm going to Google browser. This is Amazon. And I'm going to another window. See, this one is Google Chrome browser, and I would like to know about Google only. Let's type it so that it gives me access to several websites of Google. Let's see the browser again. It has thrown me or several other images also. I can get it through this one using the internet while on my airplane mode. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.